Hey guys, Retro Badger here. Welcome to the latest episode of Defiant Goes Hunting. So today we're going to go after 3 birds of prey. Now I'm in Bridge Commander Remastered, so this will be more challenging than Kobayashi Maru as it's properly balanced in my opinion. So yeah, let's see what happens.
Red alert, shields
Okay. I absolutely love the Defiant in this mod. It has the correct micro quantum torpedoes. As the ones we saw on the Enterprise E in First Contact and Nemesis actually are completely different. They're bigger and they make a different noise. Okay. So yeah, these birds of prey are not a pushover at all. And of course they're using the cloaking device in battle. We also have a cloaking device, which I may use in a moment if this doesn't improve. We can fire photons from the rear. We saw that in one episode, I believe, but we didn't actually see it, we just heard it. There was a Jem'Hadar fighter pursuing the Defiant, and I seem to remember Major Kira firing a torpedo. Oh, yes! One down. But we've taken a lot of damage! Oh, dear. Oh, this is a disaster. Oh no, the tractor beam's gone! Right. I'm going to try cloaking. Oh, flipping heck. Okay, so the hull is at about 10%. I've seen worse. Right, we're going to have to do some cat and mouse here, I think. Or cloak and dagger. Oh, yes! Critical strike! Oh, gosh. Ah! Oh, look at the hull! Oh, there's got to be a record. What's the hull at?
Yes, sir.
Let's do a damage report. This should be funny.
All stations damaged.
Just to hit Chell screaming.
Engines are fully functional. Warp engines fully
Chell
functional,
Brex.
Captain.
Our phaser array has been destroyed.
Oh dear.
Our torpedo system has been damaged. Tractor beam projector has been destroyed.
Our sensor system has been damaged.
Our hull is severely damaged, sir. Shields are at 75%.
Not too bad. At least we still have shields at 75%. Right, we need to time this really good. Target lock, come on. Oh, yes. Right, I tried cloaking instantly, and we got away with that. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, this may possibly be the greatest victory of all time. At least that I've done. Wow. What a ship. The Defiant barely escaped there. Whew. Well, I need to go and have a lie down now, I think. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.